This is a quick video on how to make ink wash. It was requested by a viewer. I use it for painting shadows like this beard and his neck and arm shadow here. I also use it for when I do still lifes and landscapes. You can see I added a lot of layers to this one and this one. The black lines is a Pentel pocket brush. This is my mix. Keep it in a little jar. It looks pretty dark. Let's go ahead and swatch it real quick. It looks pretty dark. But the more water you add, the lighter it gets. This is the ink I used. It's the Dr. Martin's India ink. It's like a pure black. Looks as dark as the ink wash, but it's not, so let's swatch it so you can see the comparison of the full strength versus the wash. It's pretty dark. Now you can really see how light that wash is. Even when I add water, it stays pretty dark. You also want to be careful with India ink because it won't come out if you spill it, which is another reason why I like making the ink wash. You can also make this with colored inks. I'm going to make it in this glass cup instead of a jar because I'm not going to be keeping it. You basically just fill your jar with water. And let's add some in there. Let's mix it up a little bit. And let's swatch it and see how dark it is. Oh, that's way too light. Let's add a little bit more. That's much better, but a little bit darker for my taste. Let's make it a little bit darker. I like that one. Seems comparable to the other ink wash. While that dries, let's add some layers to the other ink wash so you can get an idea of how to use it. I'm just gonna make random marks here. Put the lid on before I spill it. Let's do a little bit of the blue. As you can see, it layers pretty nicely. I hope this video was helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more. Cheers!